Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to check out the auto tiling that is available in the XFCE desktop of Arcolinux. So this is the latest XFCE desktop that is there installed on my system. I'm using Arcolinux right now, and we will check out how the auto tiling works in Arcolinux XFCE desktop. So I've got a 4 or 5 windows open, and we will check out how the system behaves and how the auto tiling works. So first, the Arcolinux welcome app is there, so I will just drag it and leave it here. So it now occupies the corner of the screen. Now I will open another window and it will directly go and on the top of the first window and auto tile using the corner of the screen. Now I will open the file manager. So now file manager does not auto type. So what we will do is we will just drag it to the edge of the screen. Now it has auto typed. Now let us see if the fourth, that is the Opera browser, also auto tiles. Yes, so it is auto tiling. So why did it auto tile so perfectly? Because while I was testing the auto tiling, I had kept the position of these two browsers where they are now seen. So this is the actual position of the earlier arrangement. So the auto tiling remembers the earlier arrangement of the windows, and it will auto tile according to the earlier setup of the tile, and it will be very fast, while the file manager did not auto tile automatically. I had to drag the window to the corner of the screen, to the edge of screen, so it aligned in the one corner of the screen on the top right side. And same for the Arcolinux welcome app. So this is the basic auto tiling that is there, and it is comparable to the auto tiling offered by the Cinnamon desktop of Linux Mint. So this is what I wanted to show you. So XFCE desktop, though it is very light, it has got a lot of functionality, and auto tiling is one of them. So do use auto tiling in XFCE desktop. I think it will, I have not used this auto tiling in the version 4.18, but in 4.20 and above it is available. So you should use this, and it will boost your productivity. So see you then. Bye bye.